everyone, I am Ndincha Senko and I'm from Chitabru Baptist Church, SPC. Today I would like you to present about Mkba Youth Cup at the end of this month. As we all know about it, which is being held every year as a fellowship program of Youth Committee of Mkba Baptist Association. So I would like to present about Mkba Youth Cup, which will be held on coming that August 2, 7 September 2019 at Simsa Football Stadium. The motto of this program will be strong, and there is insightful meaning in this motto that whatever difficulty may come, whatever failure may bother, we will be standing firm and fortifying our strength, so that there will be our victory at the end. Okay, let's turn to the grouping of the team. There are 19 teams in 4 groups: Group A, Group B, Group C, and Group D. In the Group A, Trinity, Kamairap, Galilee, and Kinwang Chumjong. In the Group B, Jamga, Kanan, Mungrakong, Dumare, and Emmanuel. In the Group C, Chitabru, Janmaikong, Mankring, Betela, and Bethany. In the Group D, Tapkong, Njangdong, Nong Ki, Nong Pong, and Shuizet. As the rules of this competition, every player, except 4 seniors, must be under 23 of age. And it is allowed that every team can hire no more than 2 players out of other churches. But all the players must be members of Kachim Baptist churches. So this is gonna be a very competitive tournament, and I assure you that you won't regret watching every single match of it. Therefore, we would like to invite all the respective churches and members in order to participate in this Mkba Youth Cup from the beginning to the end. And we will be very appreciating your support in terms of your presence at the stadium, your comments and advice. Thank you very much. See you at the stadium.